Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So if you are choosing and purchasing only the subscription for one attempt, and if you are already used, then if you after 6 months, if you are unable to join any organization, then you have to again appear for the examination. You have to use your another attempt. But if you are already joined some company, then from the company what happened? They have an option of Delta exam. So company will sponsor you for the Delta exam. So Delta exam will always keep your certification active. That is the purpose of it. So Delta exam you don't have to appear for all 80 questions. Only 6, 7 questions will be there. So, at any time, any point, you can able to appear the Delta exam, and it is easy also. And once you have cleared again, your validity will be extended for the next 6 months. Okay. So that is the way every consultant used to do. They appear for the main exams once and after certification. To keep the certification active, they used to appear for the Delta exams. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So, after getting after you getting the access, after completing this process you will get, once you log in, you will get this home page. This is the home page of provisioning. Can you see here? Okay. This is the home page of the property. So nowadays, from last 1.5 years, what they have done. Once you mention this user ID and the password, it will not go to the home page, but it will ask you a 6-digit of OTP number. Okay. How you will get that number? For that, what you need to do from your mobile, from the Play Store, you need to download a SAP Authenticator application. Okay. So SAP Authenticator application. You have to do the registration with the QR code, and once you open the SAP Authenticator application there, you will be getting a 6-digit code. That 6-digit code you have to enter into the laptop, and then it will redirect to this particular home page. Is it clear? Yes. This is a process which I am telling to you, and when you're getting a provisioning, access and everything, make sure that you should go into the place to download the SAP Authenticator and do the necessary process also. And also one more thing, once you are getting as user ID, you also create a universal ID. This is a universal ID. So in a universal ID you can link multiple as user. That is, a single universal ID will be there, and that you, with the help of that universal ID, you can connect multiple as user in a single universal ID. Okay. So that is also required when you are entering into the organization. Okay. Now coming into the home page. When you can able to access the home page. So when I'm just scrolling down. Okay. So this is the company ID and the company name which you can able to go and see here. Okay. So the company ID, company name and is against scroll down. And when I against scroll down. Can you see here the languages which I am showing, the multiple languages? You are seeing. Yes. So this is the language which you are seeing in the instance. If you remember when we went into the settings and from there we have seen. Right. So that languages we are enabling it from the providing which you are seeing here. Okay. So every customer by C in a real time. You will not be enabling all the languages. Suppose your customer is based in UK, so they have a business in France. They have a business in Belgium and they have a business in Netherlands. These are some countries which they have. So they will only enable the local languages. They don't want to enable all the languages. Got it? Yes. And those enabling part will be taken care during the implementation phase by the implementation consultant and will be doing from the provision. After that, when you scroll down further. So now SuccessFactors has around 9 modules. So you can see all the modules. You can see the success and each module will be having some configuration features. So you can see succession management is there. And then when you scroll down, you can see compensation management is there. And when you scroll down, you can see employees and travel. Is there. And when. Again, when you scroll down employees and travel also, you can see there are certain features are there and these features we need to enable and some features are by default. It is enabled for the customer. Okay. From SAP side. So when I again scroll down, you have the process that is calibration. Okay. Then when you scroll down. But you have an onboarding. Which you can see here. Okay. And then when I go down you can see the goal management. So goal management features are showing here. So the purpose of these features are that you are enabling these features mean this will be reflecting in the front-end system, that is, in the instance system. Okay. And then when I again scroll down, you can see career development planning, which you can able to see here. Career development planning is there and when I again scroll down, you can see variable pay. Is there analytical and dashboard? So all these. So what you are seeing, a sequence of all modules, and all modules features are showing. Okay. And you also have a document attachment. So whenever you are going for the implementation by default, initially it will be 1 GB. The best practice, which SAP recommends, that you need to increase that 1 GB to the 5 GB. Or 10 gigabytes. So that what will happen whenever any user is trying to import a file whose capacity is more than 1 GB. Or within the 5 GB, the system will accept it. But if you are taking only as a 1 GB means and if you are going more than 1 GB, it will throw a error. Okay. So to avoid that, it is a best practice to go with a document attachment more than 1 GB, that is, 5 GB or 10 gigabytes. Okay. Then again when you scroll down, you have all these features and you can see every feature. You have a save option. So, whatever changes you are making, and you can click on the save option in the provisioning. Because we don't have a provisioning access for the training purpose. So I'm showing you with the help of the screenshots. Okay. And now this is the place where you are creating an admin. This is the second. This is the third method, how to create a user. I told you right. The first method. Just we have seen that is with the help of UDF. This is the third method. That is when the provisioning side, where you will be specifying the admin username, password. Admin first name, last name and admin email ID.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.